Okay, peoples, it's 8 o'clock. Low tide is 9:50, 9:15, I believe. So we're going to try it again, see what we can do surf fishing. So stand by for anything that jumps on the hook. Okay, on that rod we've got fish bite, pink shrimp. On this rod we've got frozen squid. And on the other one over here, the last one, the third one, we have fresh dead shrimp. And now we wait. Fish on. Fish on. That's on the shrimp. Well, I don't know what I've got. I don't feel it kicking back, but it's running up the shoreline. Oh, I feel him now. Pompano! Nice Pompano! We're gonna eat good this weekend. Look at that Pompano. Yes, sir. That's a nice Pompano. Fish on. He got shoulders on him. Did he come off? Nope, he's still there. Yes, sir. Oh, he got shoulders. That's on fish shrimp. Well, he ain't liking it. But he's got little bitty teeth, no teeth up top, so I'm not sure what it is. But we're gonna eat him. Look like he's been on there for a while, or he's been caught already. Got yellow eyes. Well, we're gonna put him in the cooler. We may not be able to eat him, but right. Oh, that's the sound of freedom right there. If you can see it in the sun. I thought I saw something move that rod tip. So whiting, I'll take it. He'll eat good. Just big enough for a taco. All right. I'll be still. All right. Nice little 12, 14-inch whiting. Now we will keep him. We threw that other ladyfish or bluefish, we threw it back before it died. I'm not going to try to eat it. I'm only going to catch or keep whiting and pompano. That's the best two eating fish there are, so that's what we'll do. Pardon? Don't know. Probably nothing. Baby pompano.
What is it?
Pompano.
Pompano?
They're one of the best eating shore fish there are.
How big do they have to be for you to keep them?
Georgia does not have a limit.
Oh, they don't.
But once you fillet them out this size, you won't have enough to.
Yeah.
Pompano!
Good luck.
Thanks for playing. You're just a little too small, though.
Yeah. But
Look at that.
Just don't give it to the police, okay?
I got your number right there. Well, you might as well not go up here to our normal place. Once the tide starts going down and I can see it, there's a big flat out there from the beach erosion that I showed you earlier, and it goes way out there. I don't know if you can see those two guys, but they're maybe ankle deep and 50 yards out from about where my rods would be. You see that girl right there? She's ankle deep and that far out. So there ain't no use in staying. Can't get to where I want to fish, where it's deep enough. So I guess it's going to be the south end tomorrow or Saturday one. No use in coming up here. I'm lucky to get the one whiting and one pompano that I did. So we're going to pack it up and go to the house. It's been 3.5 hours, and the last hour and a half, no hits whatsoever.